I suppose Tinder for bulls is a good way of explaining to people that wouldn't be that familiar with cattle. So how it works is it's a little bit more serious than that, but we're pairing bulls with cows. We're creating the best possible pair, the best possible match, so that basically the farmer can produce the highest quality of calf possible.
But if you're on Tinder, it might be all about the mate, like the attributes of the other person you're looking for. It's not as if you're on Tinder, you're not going to be looking for what your offspring are going to look like.
Well, no, not quite. No, I suppose what you're looking for is whatever deficit, say, the cow has to fulfil her creating the best possible calf. Yeah. We're creating a search where you find the bull that fills that deficit. So basically, you're optimising the breeding of the cow by doing that. So it's rated. It's a bit like a hotel. So if you're going away to stay somewhere, you want a 4 or 5 star hotel. You don't settle for the 2 or 3 star. So it's the same with the cows. You want a 4 or 5 star calf because you want the best calf.
Does the bull rock up on the back of a truck, or is the semen arrive in a container?
So the semen arrives in what they call a straw. So when the farmer makes his decision on the bull, he contacts the eye company, and the eye companies are displayed in our app and the price of the straw. And a technician will come out and inseminate the cow, and that's how it happens.
Okay, yeah. So not as romantic as Tinder.
Absolutely, I'm afraid the romance is gone out the window with the cows, yeah.
Well, sure, it's a new idea and it's worth a try. Farmers would be interested in it and they could match up their bulls, but they would have to get the semen delivered to them. So I think it's an idea that's worth having a look at.
How difficult is matchmaking?
Not that difficult. Most farmers know exactly what they want, especially in the dairy industry, and we're going into an age now where there's a lot of figures there available, and good figures matched with good figures should be improving the bloodlines in both the dairy and beef sector. There's quite an amount of bulls in the eye stations there at the moment, and there's always new bulls coming along every year and old bulls dying out, but there's always a good selection of semen in both dairy and beef studs.